Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our lesson today is solving radical equations 10-4. And our objective is, we have two objectives actually, solve equations containing radicals and to identify extraneous solutions. Okay, let us start. He asked me to solve, and when he mentioned equation, that means I have left side and right side. Okay, let me rewrite the question. It is a radical 3x plus 10 that give or equal 16. So as we learned before, this is the left side and this is the left side and this is the right side. The first step, I have to make the radical alone, so I have to throw this 10 to the right side. So but under one condition, it must be negative. So 16 negative 10 give me 6. This is the first step. Is hard? Actually no. So the left side, it is radical 3x and the right side is 6. Now how I can eliminate the radical? By square the amount of this radical like this, square. Okay, raise it to the power 2, raise it to the power 2. In this way I get what I get, sorry, I remove the radical x, you see. But here 6 with power 2 equal 36, so it will be 36. So we reach here, so we done. Divide by 3 left side, and what you did in the left side you do in the right side, so the 3 will eliminated, and 36 divided by 3 give what? Yes, 12. So the solution is 12. Good. And what that mean, my dear student? That mean if you put the 12, let me rewrite it here. This is the equation, the question or the equation that we solved. Okay, that mean if you solve, if you put or replace the 12, this one, if you this is 2, no, the 12, oh, sorry. So that mean if you replace the 12 instead of x here, okay, it will be okay like this. Okay, the left side must equal the right side. In this case, if you do the calculation, for example, 3 multiply 12 give 36, and the radical of 36, as you know, it is 6. 6 plus 10 equal 16. You see, the left side equal the right side. Yes, are you happy with that? Me too. So that is the meaning of the solution, the value that make the equation true, the value that make the left side equal the right side. Great, let us move here. It is radical, sorry, it is radical of r plus 5 or positive 5 equal 2 multiply radical of r negative 1. See, in this case, if I have a radical, only radical, and the radical has nothing around it, as you see here, and in the right side I have radical, okay, I have to remove or eliminate the radical by raise this to the power 2, and what you do in the left you do in the right. Okay, so the square will destroy the radical, and here too, but don't miss to what? to raise the 2 will be 4. Let us do it in the what? In the slow motion. Why? Because I'm feeling you will lost Los Angeles. You see the power here? The power will eat or break the radical, and in the same time it will make the 2 4, because 2 with power 2 equal 4. Are you happy with that now? I hope so. So this will be 2 with power 2, which equal 4. But the 4, not for R only, it is for it is for the whole amount. That's mean. Okay. Now let me break this, finish from this. 4 will distributed for the R and the -1. So it will be 4R minus 4. You know that. I know you know. 4R my -4. I don't like to say minus, -4. Now this is the first step. Now collect the R's in the same side as we learned before. The R, I will throw it here. It will be negative. Yes. Step by step. Yes. And the -4, not the 4 only, I will throw it here and it will be positive. Now this 4 and 5 will be 9. Great. Don't do that. And 4R, -4 give me what? 3R. Now the last step, divide by 3, divide by 3. This eliminated and this give what? 3. So the solution is R equal 3. So R equal 3, it is the value that make the left side equal the right side. You don't believe me, yes? Good. Don't believe. You are free. But let me show you. So R equal 3, I said, the solution. And the solution that make the left side, if you replace the R by the 3, okay, you will get you will make the left side equal the right side. If you don't believe me, try. Okay, I will show you. Yes, just I replace the R by 3. I write everything as it is. Okay, now this give me 8. Yes? Good? Good. And this give me 2. Yes? Yes. Now the left side equal the right side. Teacher, you laugh on us. How come? Because you take n10-1 or 2, sorry, the 8, it is 4 multiply 2. And you can release the 4 if you erase it and write outside, sorry, and write outside 2. So it will be 2 radical 2. So the left side equal the right side. I know you know, just joking with you. Now number 3 here. Number 3 here, it is a radical of 2x -1 equal x. As we said before, sorry, this is the left side and this is the right side. What is the first step? Great boys. Raise to the power 2 or square both sides. You can say what you want. Why I square or why I raise to power 2? To kill the radical. You see? It is beautiful, yes. What about this? It will be x square, yes. It will be x square. Now I have to collect all the terms here in this situation here and switch its sign. The 2x was positive, it will be negative, and this will be, it was negative, it will be positive, equals 0. As you see here, we have quadratic equation. You know how to do it, yes. Let me remind you how we get the positive 1. The positive 1, we get it from negative 1 multiply negative 1, negative 1, or the positive 1, we get it from 1 multiply 1. Yes, I mean, I'm talking about this. Yes. Now, which one of those give me the middle term? Actually, this one. So the answer is x negative 1 and x negative 1. This give 0. You see how I factorize the quadratic equation. Now you will write x equals 0, when x equal, or when x negative 1, that means x equal 1. Okay, okay, or x equal 1 also, because they are the same. I don't need this, it's just x equal 1. So x equal 1 is the solution. If you don't believe me, go and call 911 or put the 1 instead of x. 2 multiply 1 give 2. 2 minus 1 give 1, and here put 1 instead of x. Okay, let me do it. Okay, here, sorry. Okay, let me be clear with you. So the answer is x equal 1. We stop here. Now how I make sure if this is correct or not? I'll go back to the original equation, which is this, which is the radical of 2x negative 1 equal x. So I replace the 1 instead of x, so it will be radical of 2 multiply 1 negative 1. Yes, I just replace the x by 1. Okay, is that equal 1? See, 2 multiply 1, it is not 1, 2. Okay, 2 negative 1, it is 1. Okay, and radical 1 equal 1. So 1 equal 1, this is the left side and this is the right side. So this way we check. The last step, or the last question here, my dear student, it is number 4. We have radical in the left and radical in the right, and your life is easier. So I will rewrite it again. Okay, it is better for you. So x negative 3 equal the radical of x plus 5. So I have radical in the left side and radical in the right side. So what you advise me to do? What? Yes, raise it to the power 2. If you raise it in the power 2 in the left side, if you raise the left side to the power 2, you have to raise the right side in the power 2, to the power 2. Now the power kill the radical. You see? You see? Beautiful. Now we get this. Oh my God. We got this situation. We put the x's in the same side. Okay? So I will move this x, this poor x here. But I have to change its sign. And because I don't want to confuse you, I will repeat bring it back. I will move the numbers here. I will start with the number. Why you bring it back? Just for nothing. Okay. Okay, this will be positive. Are you happy with that? Now I will move this guy, the poor x here. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. This will be negative. Yes, this, it is 8. Beautiful. And this, it will be 0. This, it will be 0. And as you see here, the left side, impossible to equal the right side. Okay, that means there is no, what I wrote here, there it is there. Okay, it is there. There is no solution for this equation, poor equation. Okay, good. Okay, but you mentioned something called extraneous. What's that extraneous, teacher? Sometimes we get two solutions, okay, for the radical equation. But one of them, okay, if you check back in the equation, okay, you figure out is not working. The left side not equal the right side. So this called extraneous solution. For example, in 5, just to clarify for you, which is extraneous solutions, you have to solve this. You know how to solve this. Yes, I will solve it for you and figure out which one is extraneous solution. I think it is look like this. Let me come back. Yes. Tell me what is the first step. Determine the left side and the right side. You are joking with me. No, I mean, what is the first step? Okay, because we have a radical in the left side and there is nothing around it. We raise to the power 2 here. And what we do in the right, we have to do in the left. Great. So if I raise to the power kill the radical. And here I have power. Just put the power here. Good. Now we moved this here. Let me rewrite it again, please. I will put it here. Okay, make space because I want to move this amount here, this terms here. And if I move it here, I have to do something. Reverse the sign of this S and reverse or switch the sign of the 2. Okay, my boys? And this is giving me 0. Now, the negative 2 come from where? Come from two options. 1 multiply negative 2. The negative 2 come from 1 multiply negative 2. Or the negative 2 come from negative 1 multiply 2. You see? But which one is correct? Actually, because the middle term is negative 1, that means the big number will be negative, which is this. So how I can write it? See, I open this, as we learned before, equals 0. I write S here, and S here, and negative 2 here, and plus 1 here. From where you get this, teacher? This one is here, I write it, and this one is here for more information. Okay, I know, but just to remind you, my dear students, calm down and everything will be beautiful. Don't worry about anything. Now, Now from this one, s equal 2, and from this one, s equal negative 2, negative 1. Teacher, that means you just opposite the sign, or reverse the sign, or switch the sign. Yes, my dear student. Now, one of these solution will be extraneous solution. But how I can make sure which one is correct? Okay, let me rewrite the question. The question was s equal radical of s plus 2. I will try in the first place the 2 here, not this way. Okay, sorry. The 2 I will replace it with the s. Okay, I will remove the s and put the 2 here and check. 2 plus 2 give me 4. Radical of 4 give 2. And don't miss to replace the s here also by the 2. Is 2 equal to? Yes. Let us repeat. So we make sure that this s equal to is a solution. Now let us try this. I will replace this by negative 1 and here by negative 1. Okay. Negative 1 plus 2 or positive 2 will give me 1. And the radical of 1 equal 1. And this is not correct. Yes, so this is not a solution. So this called extraneous solution. Are you happy with that? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, and goodbye.